Good morning, students. How are you all? I hope you all are safe at home. Okay, students, today we are going to recite a new poem. The name of the poem is Boats Sail on the Rivers. That is your literature reader, chapter number 5, and it is written by Christina Rossetti. Okay, so before starting this poem, let's recite. Boats sail on the rivers and ships sail on the seas. But the clouds that sail across the sky are prettier far than these. There are bridges on the rivers as pretty as you please, but the bow that bridges heaven and overtops the trees and builds a road from earth to sky is prettier far than these. So once again listen, I am again recite this poem for you. So listen very carefully. Boats sail on the rivers and ships sail on the seas, but the clouds that sail across the sky are prettier far than these. There are bridges on the rivers as pretty as you please, but the bow that bridges heaven and overtop the trees and builds a road from earth to sky is prettier far than these. Okay, so I'll tell you that what the poetess wants to say, wants to send a message through this poem. So in this poem, the poetess says that there is a big difference between God-made things and man-made things. Okay, you all know that about the natural things and an artificial thing. Okay, so you know you can compare boats. There are boats, clouds, bridges and ships are explained about this poem. So boats sail on river and ships sail on the sea. We know that the boats and ships are man-made. Okay. The clouds stay above the seas in the sky. Okay. And it looks more beautiful than the sea. Okay. And the clouds are natural. Okay. It is God-made. It is made by God. So, bridges are very much prominent for crossing the river easily. Okay, prominent word I use because prominent is bridges are very much important to cross the river very easily. Any river. Okay, there should be a bridge over the river to cross it easily. So if we will do good, okay, so we will get the good achievement as same with others which we will do. So this is the kind of message the poetess wanted to give to the persons, okay, through this poem. And one more thing, the poetess compares in the next stanza. The poetess compares a beautiful 7 colors rainbow with a bridge built on the tree top which links earth and sky. Sky means heaven. Okay. So this is poem about the boats, ships, clouds and bridges as we have seen or we have read in the starting or the beginning of the poem. Okay, and we know that earth is more gorgeous than bridges. than man-made things, because earth is a natural thing. Earth is made by God. Okay. And here again bridges are made by humans. Okay, man-made. So the clouds that sail across the sky are more beautiful than the boats and ships sailing across the rivers and oceans. So these are the comparison or compares explained beautifully by poetess. It is an interesting poem, so you can recite at least 2-3 times for better understanding, and each and every word is important. Okay, so recite it, understand it, then my explanation listen 2-3 times. Okay, so thank you so much.